In this particular exercise, we're converting units of English measurement like pounds and inches and ounces and quarts and gallons and miles to metric units like kilograms, centimeters, liters. It looks like kilometers, but they say kilometers. The directions in the book basically are written in this blue print right here, and then they apply to all the exercises that are below it. We're going to focus on the problem that is circled where it says take 55 miles per hour and change it to kilometers per hour. So I've got 55 miles. There's the word per again. So I've got 55 miles. Per means I draw a line. 1 hour. That's a standard speed limit on a lot of our highways here, not the interstates, but a lot of our highways, and some interstates for that matter. And I want to eventually move toward kilometers per hour. We don't say kilometers. Kilometers is abbreviated by the letters km. Per means I've got the line there. So I want to find something. I've got to get to kilometers per hour, so I've got to find something that's got miles and kilometers in there. And if I look at this conversion table that is in your book, I've got something in there. It might be hard to see on your screen, but it's right here. And it says 1 kilometer equals 0.6214 miles. So I got to decide which way do I want it. Remember that I want to work it out so that I end up with kilometers at the end of the problem. So I want the kilometers to be on top. I want the miles to be on the bottom so that they cancel out the words. I'm going to put the miles on the bottom. All right, and what it says is 1 kilometer, there's a 1 right there, equals 0.6214 miles. And the reason I write the per units that way is so when I multiply this together, it's always multiply, that the miles will cancel out, and I end up with 55 times 1 on top. I end up with 1 times 0.6214 on the bottom, which means I'm going to end up doing some division. Notice that the hours stayed there and the kilometers stayed there, which is what I wanted. That puts them both in the right place. So if I do this math, I'll get the answer. Hopefully that will help you out. If you have any questions, please contact me, get some tutoring, or get help from a fellow student.